Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to use Extrude Mesh node. By this time, just by selecting top and side and extruding them using another node with Scale Elements node and Extrude Mesh. Shift A, let's search for Scale Elements like this, drag it and drop it over there. Shift A, let's add Extrude Mesh as shown here, drag it and drop it, connect it like this. And you can see when you try to play around and increase that value, is going to be scaling the full object, not just those selected faces as shown here. And you can see the role of the side and the top sockets outputs as shown here. When you try to connect the top to the selection, you can see some changes. It's going to be just affecting those top and side faces, and when you try to lower that value or increase it, you can see the effect just influencing those areas for side faces selected as shown here. And let me show you another feature for the domain type. You can go over here, you can just select faces to extrude them and just vertices as shown here. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.